A monkey and a little bird are together in the jungle. They look tired and hungry after playing all day. The monkey and the bird walk forward and see a tall mango tree full of ripe mangoes. They feel happy. Monkey starts climbing the mango tree while the bird stays nearby, watching the mangoes closely and just about to eat. While the monkey is on the tree, a lion suddenly appears and roars loudly. The monkey and the bird become scared. The monkey remembers his elephant friend and calls out for help. The bird stays beside the monkey, looking worried. The elephant arrives at the same place and brings some other friends with him: the tiger, the bear, and the giraffe. The monkey and the bird feel safer. Seeing all the animals standing together, the lion becomes afraid and runs away into the jungle. The danger is gone. The monkey comes down from the tree. The monkey, bird, elephant, bear, tiger, and giraffe sit together and eat mangoes happily. In the end, all the friends were happy under the mango tree, smiling and enjoying the peaceful mango feast together. Moral of the story: when friends stand together, no danger is too big.